Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That is degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having some fun looking at charts, like the one behind me, which is of Chegg, or ticker symbol CHGG. And so I have been looking at this one for the past maybe month. I actually drew some lines here, horizontal lines, when we drop below this upper one that's right around $9.50 on September 20th. And then we came down to this line, which is at $8.26. And we've kind of bounced around that, and it looks like that might be serving as support. And one thing that's interesting, you might notice right above me here, that E for earnings, which is on Monday, October 30th. So that's after today, Friday, October 27th. The next trading day will be October 30th. And so the earnings is, I'm actually not sure if it's pre-market or after hours. I was expecting it to say here, but it just says next earnings estimate is on October 30th. What kind of got me excited about that is just noticing how this line seems like it has served as support, and then also noticing that the volume has gone up really over the course of the past 4 trading days. Volume has gone up. And we previously, when on this bottom line, which was on October 9th, the RSI was oversold. That's the relative strength index, was below 30. And since then, it has been going up. And perhaps, let's see if I draw a line on that. Perhaps it looks like we've broken out of that downtrend in the RSI and are getting ready to run. Who knows? I have no idea. Just having some fun here. But another thing that got me excited about this was I started to think, maybe I should look at the options chain, especially because the price is at a very interesting price, right around $8.50. So that's going to be between the $8 and $9 call and put option. So right around the middle. So we could do a little bit of a comparison between those. And so if I do look at the options for calls, which are on the left, we can see that the ask or the buy is $65 to get a call for $9. That'd be an increase of about 50 cents. But the downside, if we were to buy a put and expect it to go to $8, that's also about a 50-cent change. It's actually cheaper. It'd be about $60 versus the $65 for the calls. And so I'm really not that great with options. I tend to lose money with them, hence, the degen part of this channel. But, from what I've noticed is that usually when one side's more expensive, that tends to be the side that's more likely to win. But, again, I have no idea, just kind of speculating. But, $65, or maybe that drops a little bit today, whatever the range in that, it seems like that's something, maybe I'd be worth risking and to see if earnings are good, then this would go up in value. And also I should note, what's intriguing about this as well is that the options expire November 17th. So that's weeks away. And also the earnings are on a Monday. So there's plenty of time, whether the stock price goes up or down, whether this is the most expensive it will be, or if it could double in value, there would be plenty of time for me to exit my position. So I haven't established a position yet. I don't necessarily plan to, but I'm thinking about it. Depends on what happens today in the market. But yeah, that just seems pretty interesting that we're at the bottom of this channel, and volumes going up. Earnings is the following trading day. RSI seems to be going in the right direction. And if we look at earnings from the past, This was from the beginning of August. You can see there's a big jump in price. I assume earnings were in the after hours, and price went up, and then the following trading day it came down quickly. But there's a lot of volatility there, and so that would make an options a call be worth a lot in that time. But if we scale back even more, the prior earnings, which would have been the beginning of May, price dumped. So that would basically make the call option worthless. However, that would make the put worth a lot more. So anyways, yeah, just because we've been trading at this low, I see there's a lot of potential for upside with this. And so I thought I might throw that out there because it seems interesting to me. But yeah, if you enjoyed this content, let me know in the comments below, like this video, and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this. Thanks a lot for watching.